Do you want to know how you can instantly add all the form submission happening on your website automatically to your Kit account like this? Then this video is for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add all the form submission you are capturing from your website to your Kit without lifting any finger. If you also want to learn how you can do this, then let's start creating this from the beginning. Here in this video, we are going to see how we can connect website forms with Kit in such a manner that whenever there is a new form submission on my website form, automatically the subscriber is created in my Kit account. For this, we are going to build the connection between these two applications using Pabbly Connect. Now here, this is the landing page of Pabbly, and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com in your browser. After browsing the website, we need to sign into our Pabbly account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on this sign in, and if you are a new user, click on this sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. You can use these 100 tasks and check whether it fits your business or not, and when you feel ready to upgrade, you can use this code SHUYT to get maximum benefits on your Pabbly yearly and lifetime deal. Once you pay for this lifetime deal, you get access to all the features that do forever. Here, as I'm an existing user, I'll click on this sign in, and here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. I'll click on this Pabbly Connect access now, and I will be landed towards the app dashboard of Pabbly Connect, where I will be able to find all my workflows over here and all the folders over here. If you want to create a new folder, simply click on this plus icon, and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow, for which I need to click on this create workflow, and I'm going to create the workflow from the scratch. I'm going to name this workflow as turn website visitors into Kit subscribers automatically, and now I'm going to select the folder. These are the folders which have been created. I'm going to select it as forms automation and then click on create. Here workflow created successfully. As soon as I click on create, this box has appeared in front of me where I have to enter my trigger application. Trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger step in a workflow, but as many as action steps as you want. Here in this workflow, I want that whenever there is a new form submission, automatically a subscriber should be created in my Kit account, which means whenever there will be new form submission from my website form, this complete workflow here will get triggered, because trigger basically activates or triggers any workflow. Here in my trigger application, I will be taking webbook by Pabbly, and in my trigger event, I am going to select catch webbook and then click on connect. Now I need to make connection between Pabbly Connect and my website form, for which a webbook URL is provided to me, and this webbook URL is going to act as a bridge to connect my website form with Pabbly Connect. I am going to follow the headers given below and build this connection. For that, I am going to copy this webbook URL, and I am going to open the code of this particular form in a notepad, where I'm going to insert this webbook URL. Now this is the code of the form. I'm going to remove the webbook URL which I have already added here. For the dummy purpose, I'm going to copy and paste the webbook URL which I have copied from my workflow. I'm going to go towards the file, save this, and in this manner I have added the webbook URL which I have in my workflow. Now I'm going to go back towards my workflow. Now over here you can see this waiting for webbook response, and now I need to do a test submission in order to capture the webbook response here in this workflow. In order to do this, I'm going to open this website form, do a form submission, and if I receive that response in this workflow, this is going to show us the connection setup which we have created is working fine. I'm going to refresh this, and I'm going to do a form submission. So here I'm going to enter the name as admin lead. I'll enter my email address as adminlead@pabblytudes.com. I will enter my phone number here. After this, I'm going to click on this submit now. Thanks for submitting the form. The form submission is done. Let me open my workflow and check whether I have received any response there or not. And 6 seconds ago, I have captured the response. The phone number here is this. The name is admin lead. Email address is adminlead@pabblytudes.com. Here, as soon as I have done the form submission, I have received that response in this workflow, and this shows the connection setup which we have created is working fine. And now whenever there will be new form submission, I will start capturing that response here in this workflow. Moving on towards the next step, whenever there is a new form submission, I want to create subscriber in my Kit account. I am going to select my action application as Kit V4. In my action event, I am going to select insert or update subscriber by email, and then click on connect. If you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection, then click on this connect with Kit V4. I have already logged in my Kit account, and that's why it is requesting me for the access of the account. I'm going to grant the access, and you will see Kit will be connected to Pabbly Connect. Now I have to enter the email address, first name, and the subscriber state. I'm not going to enter like this manually. Instead, I'm going to map it. To map it, I'm going to enter / go towards this webbook by Pabbly and enter the email address like this, and then I'm going to enter the first name. Now over here, if I click on this webbook by Pabbly, I can see that I have received the full name, and over here I have to enter the first name. In this first name field itself, if you want to enter the full name, you can do that, but if you just want to enter the first name, you have to format this. For that, I'm going to save this action step, and then I'm going to click on this add new action step, where I'm going to search for text formatter by Pabbly. In my action event, I'm going to select split text and then click on connect. The text to split is this admin lead. Then I'm going to enter the separator. So this is the separator space. I'm going to enter over here segment index as all. Save and send this. In this manner, the first name will be separated with the last name. I'm going to map it over here in this first name field. I'm going to enter / go towards this text formatter by Pabbly, enter this admin. The subscriber state will be active. I'll click on save and send test request, and here it is. We have created the subscriber. Let me open my Kit account and check whether the subscriber is created or not. For that, I'm going to refresh this page once. And here it is, we have created the subscriber. If I open this, you can see the name was admin. The email address which we added was adminlead@pabblyhuge.com. Here we have the detail. Now, if you want to add more action steps for Kit, you can do that. I'm going to keep it till here only. This is how we have created the connection between my website form and Kit using Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubts, you can comment down this video below and we will try to resolve it as soon as possible. You can stay tuned to our channel for learning more such interesting automation. And before you go, if you plan to upgrade, do not forget to use the code SHUYT to get maximum benefits on your Pabbly yearly and lifetime deal. Thanks for watching.
Not only this automation, you can create multiple such automation using Pabbly Connect. Now, if you want to know the different plans which Pabbly provide, you can check out the link given over here. If you have any queries, you can mail us at sales@pabbly.com, and if you have any issues, you can comment down this video below and we will try to resolve it as soon as possible. You can subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.